In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the Snapchat link to your Instagram bio. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then tap right here at that person's icon at the top left corner to open up your profile, and then just hit right here at that share icon and select copy. That copies your Snapchat profile link to the clipboard, and now you can hop out Snapchat and open up Instagram. Once you did that, just hit right here at your profile picture, and then once you are at your profile, just tap at Edit Profile, and then hit right here where it says Add Links. Then select Add External Link, and then first off paste your Snapchat profile link here. And then you can add a title. You can just type in Snapchat and then just don't forget to hit add done. Now you can move on to your profile page. As you can see here in the bio, there is a link to my Snapchat. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat and Instagram tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.